Hi, my name is Hartwig. I'm going to explain a Java program on expression handling. Now, the expression handling, I'm taking a stack program. I'm creating a crash course stack, and I'm creating objects in private as int as top, and in another object as in also in private. It is int in storage. I'm creating a cache capacity. Into cache capacity, if capacity is less than or equal to 0, then you should throw an expression handling that has to intimating that stack's capacity must be positive value. That for that I'm storage is equal to new int and the top is equal to 0, and I'm in the stack I'm creating one function called push. For that I throws an expression expansion. If top is equal to storage dot in, then throws a new expression that stack is overflow. Top press and top is equal to the value, storage top is equal to value. I'm getting one more function called pop. When the top is equal to 0, it throws an expression saying that stack is empty. Now creating a main function. I'm importing from Java Scanner for creating a imp for importing from the user. I'm creating a class.conf main and a publish static main. I'm creating a stack size of array 3. I'm saying that system.println as exception handling. I'm creating an object int I is equal to 0. I'm creating a switch case for menu driven function. While I is greater than 1, then entering the 1 as push, 2 as pop, and 3 as exit. I'm creating a scanner input, saying the scanner input is equal to new scanner. I is equal to input dot next int, which will be saying going to next. In the case 1, which will be saying about the inserting the value as a system.out.println, enter the value to insert int j is equal to input dot next int, and saying the try catch expression. Try is to push, catch the expression v, and saying that system.out.println as stat is full, and e is the expression taken break. In case 2 for pop, same as try as dot pop, catch expression e, system.out.println saying the stack is empty, and the e is also here as same as the expectation. And the last is for exiting, which is break, saying the system.out.println as thank you. Now we are going to the output. Enter 1 to push. I can insert maximum of 3. While inserting the 3, then it will be showing the expression handling. I'm saying that 55, again push 66, and again pushing 77. Now it will be displaying expression handling. This is for the maximum expectation. Now coming to a popping expression handling. While popping the third value, it will be saying that expression handling will be displaying. Now it will be displaying the stack is empty. Thank you.